Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management here at 90 St. Paul Street, Unit 3, North Smithfield, Rhode Island. It's a newly renovated 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, townhouse style apartment for rent. Starting our video tour on the back entrance when you walk in. You got brand new flooring, kitchen and dining area here. Big windows with plenty of natural light, new blinds, brand new stainless steel appliances, oversized refrigerator, granite marble countertops, plenty of cabinet countertop space. Door there leads to extra storage in your basement. Electric stove, built-in microwave, Undermount sink, dishwasher. Dining room area here, hardwood flooring, high ceilings, beautiful hutch there. Get your front entrance, your living room area, fireplace there to my right, plenty of space to mount a TV. Let's make our way upstairs. Straight ahead, built-in laundry room here, brand new stackable washer and dryer. Bedroom number 1, big enough for a queen set. Full bathroom here. Beautiful shower and backsplash. Built-in bidet. Bedroom number 2. Also big enough for a queen set. And you get the biggest out of the 3 bedrooms. Big enough for a king set. Facing the front of the house, walk-in closet space, old attic space there. I'd like to apply for 90 St. Paul Street, Unit 3, North Smithfield, Rhode Island. Click the Apply Now link at the bottom of the screen. Each adult will want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. Thank you and have a great day.